I feel we just wasted this year. What do you guys think? Fail. Approved by V. It's amazing. Is that it? Not approved by V. Funny lag raha hai thoda. Bunch of bottoms. Happy with the outcome. Hey yo, came cho guys, welcome back to my channel. What's happening and what's going on? So it's almost the end of the year, like it's December, and ये साल कहाँ चला गया पता ही नहीं चला. I feel we just wasted this year, but then I realized that नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है इस साल में. So yes, but anyway, coming to today's video, if we talk about hacks, I feel hacks is a solution to everything. I mean, hacks means that it's like a solution in today's language, and there are so many multi sorts of hacks, like life hacks, fashion hacks, traveling hacks, and so much more. So I feel that hacks are like your life savior, and in my language I call it jugaad, and people who follow me on Instagram know that. So yes, today's video is all about fashion hacks, and I'm going to try out viral fashion hacks that I've seen all over the internet, and we'll see how it goes. So I mean, hacks like jugaad has been my thing, and it's like my ride or die. I mean, I can do hacks in everything. मतलब जुगाड़ मैं किसी में भी कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ. So yes, today's video is going to be a super fun video because it is my thing, and yeah, I will also like review them whether it's approved or not approved by my side. So yeah, let's get this video started and let's get this going. So for the first hack, she is using a winter scarf and turning it into some sort of top, and I really want to try this. So for this one, we'll use this scarf and let's see how it turns out. She is doing that's done. Now just taking the edges and trying the knot. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Then just taking the back like that and front like okay, this is what it looks like. I like it. I mean, it's like a slit frock that you have, slit top that you have. Whoa, what do you guys think? I think it's a really good hack because you can turn your scarf into some sort of top with a dress or pants or anything. So I can say that I have approved this hack because it looks good. What do you guys think? So for the hack number 2, she is turning turning the round neckline into a square one, and we'll see how it goes. So the first thing that she's doing is twisting this, and then okay, so I really like square necklines. I mean, they look really flaunting on your body, but this is sort of very uncomfortable, and you can see the sides is literally like open. So, and I don't even know how the back looks. It's just that this thing is bothering baki sahi hai, and then thoda it's uncomfortable in my arms. So I don't know if I could approve this because ये बहुत uncomfortable सा हो रहा है. You guys can see this is a little thing. इससे अच्छा I would recommend, guys, you can literally invest in a square neckline tank top because it looks good. So this is not approved by V. See, it's looking so weird. Oh my god. No. So this is for the next hack. I'm wearing a bodysuit, and she is turning it into a top. Let me try. So all you have to do is you have to take this thing and tuck it in. That's it. I don't know. This sort of looks weird क्योंकि ये कितना अजीब सा लग रहा है. I mean, काफ़ी कुछ better hacks हम कर सकते हैं guys. Why to do this? I mean, if you want to wear a top, just wear a top. I just don't get the logic of this. अजीब सा लग रहा है. I mean, it's not looking normal. I mean, people can't wear this, so this is not that wearable. I mean, still people can wear it if you can like more tuck it in, and if you are someone who can wear something short. I wouldn't prefer turning my bodysuit into a very short crop top. So yeah, funny लग रहा है थोड़ा. So I'm not gonna approve this. This is also fail. I mean, I like my bodysuit how it is. Okay, anyway, next hack we are going to do is with a shirt. So I have taken my brother's oversized shirt, and what she's doing is that she's wearing it ulta. And then you pull this up like that. And then this section you can tuck it in. And yeah, that's pretty much it, and I like it. I mean, it became a short jacket for me. So yes, I love it, and it looks neat and more wearable on the honest side. So yes, I like it. So I think this hack we can also do with your long cardigan that you can't wear. I mean, if it's too long, you can turn it this way and you can wear it as a nice short open, you know, like a shrug or that style. So yes, this is approved by me because I like it, and it's very much wearable, and it's a nice hack. Yeah, because wearing shorts in a basic way is boring now, I feel. So yes, I mean, इसमें पता भी नहीं चल रहा है ज़्यादा कि कुछ किया है. So I love it. Woo! Now I'm taking this tank top for the next hack, and I will try and show you guys does it actually work. So I have worn my tank top now, and I think to wear it up I need to like pull it up and then oh my god, I have to put it down now. Okay, next. Okay, let's just take it down. So yeah, that's how it's looking, and I feel that it's pretty much looking very good. And I feel, so I've taken the sando which has this adjustable thingy. So if आपका अगर sando बहुत tight है, उसकी sleeves में adjusting नहीं है, so I don't think it'll pass through the whole thing. I have extended it to the end, and that is why वो पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ और यहाँ से यहाँ pass हुआ है. But yeah, I think it was worth it, and it really looks good. And if you ask me if I would actually do this hack, I don't mind because this is genius. This is amazing. Let's do this. I'll just put it behind. So that's how it looks. I mean, not bad. Though it's a little shabby here, baki overall I like it. I mean, it's fitting well, and yeah, it's a good hack. I mean, if मुझे कुछ loose t-shirt पहनना है which will hide this thing a little bit, I would try this hack. I mean, stealing my brother's pants, I would love to do that. Yes, this thing a little weird happening here, but as I said, कि loose top पहन लोगे, so it'll look good, and you can actually steal your brother's or father's or your mother's pant and look good in them. I like it. I mean, I like the fact that it's fitting on my waist and I can actually wear it if I'm wearing a loose t-shirt with it. So yes, I mean, भाई के कपड़े तो मैंने सारे ही वैसे ले लिए अब तक. तो अभी पैंट्स की बारी है, because pants it's not possible for them to fit, and now it is. So yes, approved, partially approved hack, because I don't think everyone can achieve this. So partially approved hack. It's a good idea, good thought that you can actually wear it, but yeah. See, as I said, you can wear it with a loose t-shirt and look good. I mean, I've got a new bunch of bottoms. Yay! Okay, last but not the least, this hack is about a bag. So basically, she's turning a sling bag into a waist bag, and sometimes, you know, the outfits are such कि sling bag नहीं अच्छी लगती and you just have to put it around and you don't want to invest in a waist bag. So I think we should try this because I am someone. So this is the bag. This is the bag that we're gonna use, and let me just do what she did. Okay, figuring out. Are you sure this thing will go inside the bag? This is so much of excess. And yeah. So then she has put it inside. Not bad. I like it. And this sort of hack, you can do it with so many different types of bags, so I can say that this is a nice hack overall, and yeah, it looks so much good. I would suggest that you shouldn't use a black hair tie, you can use a nude one so that it's not that visible. Baki, all good about this hack and good to go. So yes, this is also approved by V and I love it. I love the fact that it looks so cute and perfectly done. So yes, that's about it, and those were the hacks that I wanted to try, and yeah, most of them did work out, and I like the fact that people are actually sharing ideas about hacks and jugaad and about how you can use one thing in different ways. So that fact and that idea is what I also believe in, because you know, investing in multiple things, I would rather say invest in few things that you can use in multiple ways. So yes, that's what today's video is about, and I'm just hoping you're in there because I'm really like happy with the outcome. And yeah, you guys should also try these hacks, and if you guys want a part 2, do let me know, because I can do that and I will let you guys know if those hacks are actually working out or no. So that's it for today's video, and guys, comment and let me know which hack was your favorite and which hack did you think that it turned out so good. So yeah, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and thank you for being here and watching my video. Bye guys.